Look around, and it is plain to see that the old way of studying from heavy textbooks or listening to hours of dry lectures just does not fit into our daily routines anymore. We all want to expand our minds, but time is short and distractions are everywhere. Because of that, we went out and spent weeks testing the latest education platforms to find what really works. We're going to share our hands-on review of the top 5 learning apps that are changing the game this year. So let's get into it. Securing our top spot for here is Nibble, an exceptional micro-learning app designed to rescue busy adults from the drag of traditional online courses by condensing massive topics into engaging 10-minute sessions. Boasting over 9 million downloads, Nibble features a robust library of 500 content items across 20 expanding topics, ranging from arts and sciences to daily practical skills like personal finance and psychology. What truly sets Nibble apart is its sheer flexibility. Learners are never locked into a single format. You can consume knowledge via bite-sized text cards packed with fun facts, watch 1-minute animated video lessons, or switch to a 10-minute spoken audio mode while multitasking. For hands-on learners, the platform gamifies education with 5 unique interactive styles, including Complete the Picture, This or That swiping games, and timed trivia, alongside an innovative AI chat feature that lets you converse directly with historical figures like Marie Curie or Shakespeare. Each massive topic is expertly broken down into digestible subtopics. Navigating the app feels entirely natural, utilizing a familiar social media-style scrolling interface on a personalized For You home hub tailored to your initial onboarding preferences. Backed by a smart daily streak tracking system that keeps motivation high, Nibble effortlessly transforms idle screen time into a productive, curiosity-sparking habit. Moving along to a completely different style of technology, we come across BeFreed, which takes the crown as a highly customizable personal audio agent. Where standard learning platforms give you a rigid, pre-made list of files to read, this application utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to build a living curriculum around your specific life goals. When we first set it up, we take a quick diagnostic assessment detailing our current knowledge level, what areas trip us up, and exactly what we want to grow into, whether that's becoming a more articulate public speaker, a sharper corporate leader, or calmer under pressure. From there, the system combs through thousands of verified public and internal sources, including best-selling books, dense academic research papers, expert interviews, and global tech talks. It digests all that information and creates an on-demand audio podcast narrated in the exact length, language, and tone style you choose, like a quick 5-minute summary or a massive deep dive. The absolute best part we discovered is the active practice tool. You don't just listen passively, you can actually rehearse difficult real-world conversations out loud, like asking your boss for a raise or setting a firm personal boundary, and receive immediate, actionable coaching feedback on your delivery. Building on that need for active engagement brings us directly to Brilliant, a platform that has completely redefined how we learn STEM subjects. Instead of forcing you to watch long, passive video lectures or memorize formulas, this platform throws you straight into hands-on problem solving from the very first minute. We love how they break down complex concepts in computer science, advanced mathematics, physics, and data analysis into bite-sized visual puzzles. You're interacting with real code, shifting graphs, and running virtual experiments that make the underlying logic click in your brain naturally. As we move through their structured learning paths, the difficulty scales up gently, ensuring you never feel stuck or frustrated. The application is brilliant at teaching the why behind the science, forcing your mind to build deep, intuitive mental models rather than just superficial recognition. Whether you're an engineer looking to pick up neural networks or a curious soul wanting to understand probability, it turns challenging technical subjects into an addictive, deeply rewarding daily habit. We highly recommend dedicating 15 minutes a day here if you want to cultivate sharp analytical thinking skills that give you a massive competitive edge in your career. Shifting our focus to the world of literature and professional nonfiction, we next look at Blinkist. We all know how frustrating it is to have a towering stack of books on your nightstand that you simply never have the time to open. This platform solves that exact dilemma by distilling the core, game-changing insights from over thousands of top-selling nonfiction books into micro-learning modules you can read or listen to in just 15 minutes. What we appreciate most about their approach is the sheer clarity of their human-curated takeaways, which completely strip out the fluff and repetitive stories while preserving the author's true message. We can easily browse through extensive categories like evolutionary psychology, productivity hacks, corporate management, and global history during our morning commute. The addition of expert-led audio guides and curated collections helps us map out exactly what we need to learn to hit our personal development goals. By using this tool consistently, we find ourselves able to quickly vet major books, gather actionable ideas, and speak with immense substance on a massive variety of modern topics without having to dedicate weeks to a single text. Concluding our list with the undisputed heavyweight of language acquisition, we must talk about Duolingo. While it's been around for a long time, the updates make it an absolute powerhouse for consistent, habit-driven learning. We find that their gamified approach, complete with daily streaks, competitive leaderboards, and immediate reward systems, is incredibly effective at keeping us accountable day after day. The lessons are beautifully structured around bite-sized exercises that combine speaking, listening, reading, and translating seamlessly. We really enjoy the integration of smart AI features that pinpoint exactly where our grammar or pronunciation is weak, tailoring future review sessions to help us conquer those specific hurdles. Instead of dry verb conjugation tables, we're learning real conversational language through quirky stories and character dialogues that reflect how people actually speak on the street. It turns the daunting, multi-year task of learning a new language into a collection of small, achievable daily steps that easily fit into a coffee break. We see firsthand how dedicating just a few minutes a day builds a massive vocabulary and the confidence needed to hold real conversations across the globe. Choosing the right tool ultimately depends on what you want to achieve for your personal growth. Whether you're mastering mathematics, picking up a new language, or listening to custom AI podcasts, these platforms make self-improvement effortless. We suggest downloading the one that fits your immediate goals and sticking with it daily. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.